Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have a project. Now take the first actionable steps. Open your project folder and confirm whether you need node tooling or plain HTML. Choose 1 to 3 font families and decide which weights you require, because fewer weights mean faster loads. Once decided, pick either Google-hosted linking for speed or self-hosting for privacy and performance control. Make sure to note the exact family names and weight numbers so you can copy them precisely into the next step. Now integrate the fonts into your codebase. If you use Google-hosted delivery, add the generated link tag or add import inside your HTML head or main style sheet. This gives quick setup. If self-hosting, download the font files, place them in an assets/fonts folder, and declare at font face rules with correct SRC paths and formats. Once done, apply fonts in CSS using font family and specify font weight ranges. Also set font display. Swap to avoid invisible text and improve perceived performance. Finish by optimizing and testing thoroughly. Run your site on multiple browsers and devices to confirm weights, styles, and fallbacks render correctly. Reduce payload by subsetting characters you need, prefer WAF2, and enable long cache headers for font files. Once live, monitor performance and adjust loading strategy. Preload critical fonts if necessary. If fonts don't appear, check file paths and family names, ensure your at font face syntax is exact, and clear browser caches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.